Already Wednesday, so let's start in the Tint Bay. Got this 2024 GMC Yukon over here getting our fronts. So a lot of SUVs come with tint on the back. So a big popular thing that we do is just tint the two front windows to match the back, make everything look uniform, and at the same time stop that heat from coming in the front. We got Caleb over here working on this linking. His paint was pretty bad on this one, so he had to pull out some big buffers and some pads on this one and get the paint looking good before he sealed it with ceramic. This one's getting our 8-year premium ceramic coating. It's including the wheels off as well. So once Caleb's done polishing all that paint, he's gonna start slapping ceramic on the paint. Then behind it's this Honda CR-V. This is another one that's got our Expel ceramic coating done to it. That one's done, it's curing, waiting for the customer to pick it up. We have a Tesla in here. This one came in for an annual checkup, and then the trim pieces on these get really stained really bad, so we put stealth paint protection film on these, and what it does is it actually hides the staining that happens on these, as well as to protect it from happening again. Then right beside it's this big bad 2025 Cadillac Escalade. I love the red color on this. It really pops with the ceramic coating on it. This is our good friend, Mr. Welty's. He just traded in his 2024, got the 2025, so of course he's gonna get it protected with our ceramic coating. Zach's finishing that up right now. And then no big surprise here, we got a Z06 in the PPF bay. This one's getting a full paint protection film wrap, ceramic coating, and I believe it's getting tint as well as soon as they're done slapping on the protection. This one is a project we've been working on for a little bit. So this is gonna be a full paint protection film wrap now that we got it back from paint. There were some things on it that the customer didn't like, so we took it to our painter. He addressed those issues, and now it's back to us. We're gonna do the full paint protection film wrap and a ceramic coating. Then coming outside, we got a GMC Denali. This one we tinted last week, but we didn't do the sunroof, and she just got it, realized there's a lot of heat coming through that sunroof, so we put some tint on the sunroof to protect it from heat as well. Then beside it, this is from our good friends Deal Automotive. This was in an accident. We vinyl wrapped the rear bumper to match the paint on this one. So it had a chrome bumper. The customer had vinyl on the front and back bumper before. It was in an accident, came in here, and we just slapped some white on the back bumper. Then over here we have a Subaru Outback. This is actually waiting for tint. It's getting the front windows to match the back, a visor on the front, and the sunroof as well on this one. Coming around to the front, we got this big body white Mercedes. This one's actually here for next week. We're gonna start this project. This is going from this white color to a gloss red. So we're changing all the white to a gloss red, and then doing some black accent pieces on it as well. And this is our good friends with Shop with a Cop. We did paint protection film on the front of this Corvette, tinted the side windows, and then a ceramic coating. That's all we got at the LATROBE shop. Let's kick it down to Gibsonia and see what Chet's got going on.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up front, we have a couple completed PPF jobs. First up is this Porsche 911 Targa. This got a full front clip in our 8mm paint protection film. And over on the platform is a Mustang convertible. It's got a full 10mm paint protection film wrap, 8-year coating on the entire body, and a interior coating as well. Another completed job is this Ford Maverick. We did hood, fender, and wear and tear paint protection, and also a full polish and 8-year coating. Next up, we got Mark doing his thing on this Cadillac Escalade. As you can see, he's doing a full paint correction on the entire body, and then doing a 4-year ceramic coating. In the Tint Bay, we got a couple vehicles here. First up is an Audi RS3. This got some paint protection film on the entire front clip, and then the rear roof piece that is black. We're tinting the side windows and the back window in our Prime XR 20% tint. Next up in the Tint Bay is a RAV4. We're doing the side windows, the back window, and a windshield visor in our XR Plus line of tint. In the back, we got a couple more PPF jobs in the works. Over here we have an Audi A5 up on the lift. This is getting a full front clip. And next to that is an F250. This is getting the works. We tinted this about a month ago. It's back in the shop now for a full wrap and an 8-year coating. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
This Land Rover Defender Octo Edition came in for a full front paint protection film.
This Escalade V previously received a full body paint protection film and was back for a premium fusion coating. The headlights and the tail lights were both smoked using Expo Smoke PPF. In the Tint Bay, we have another Model Y that's in for full ceramic tint, including the front windshield and our XR Plus to keep the heat out of this car. This G63 is in for full body paint protection film, windshield tint, and windshield protection film. We will also be tinting the front 2 windows to match the rest of the car.
Thanks for tuning in this week. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll check you out next week.